Hi, I'm Tony Glanville, Sales Director at RLMS Sales. Everybody who operates in AGCs, bingo and FECs knows that multiplayers are well loved by players. But when in the league of multiplayers, there is the Premier League, and within the Premier League is the genre of arena products, the sit-down style games. And today it gives me great delight to introduce to you, new for the UK market, from Empire Games, part of Novomatic UK, the Over the Rainbow Arena. So what do you need to know as an operator about Empire's Over the Rainbow Arena? Empire have packed it full of flexibility. In terms of the machine setup, it comes as standard with 3 playing positions as we got here today. However, you can add additional seats if you so wish. In terms of the physical setup, you can have it as we've got here, with the top feature set back from the slave units. But if space is a consideration within your venue, there's bracketry that can be supplied that will allow you to move the slave units so they go flat against the wall and the top box set above it. In terms of the hardware within the machine, it comes as standard with MV9 note acceptors with stackers. However, it can be fitted so if you wish to be able to accept and pay out notes with MV11 note recyclers. In terms of future proofing, it also is capable of being converted to accept ticket in, ticket out technology if that's something you're looking to introduce into your venue. In terms of price of play and jackpot options, it offers no less than 6 different variations. In terms of the first setup we've got here today on category C, it's player selectable multi-stake, 25p, 50p and £1, with a £100 jackpot being displayed on the slave units and also accessible through the top feature. There's also a player selectable 25, 50p and £1, with a £25 jackpot being displayed on the slave units and the £100 being achieved through the top feature. There's also a fixed stake 30p £100 version. Then coming down the category levels to category C Light, we've got a dual stake option first, 10p £5 and 20p £10, which will offer the corresponding jackpots of £5 and £10, which will attract the lower rate of 5% MGD. Also in the category C Light 5% MGD bracket, they've also got the dedicated 20p £10. And finally, for non-adult environments, you've got the category D option, which is 10p £5. So that's all the options that are available to you with this very flexible piece of equipment. Now what we're going to do is go into the game in a bit more detail. For the player, the game is going to be familiar to them because Empire have based Over the Rainbow on the hugely successful Clockwork Orange format. For you as an operator, there are 2 versions of software available, either a soft profile or, if you have a more discerning player base, a harder profile. If you come into a bit closer now, I'll go through the fundamentals of the game. It's got a standard play deck with an auto nudge and auto play button, transfer to allow the player to move from the bank to credit, cancel collect, and 3 hold and nudge buttons. There's a select stake button and a start button. Depending on the stake, we've got it set up at the moment on 25p price of play, which will allow this award panel with an 86% payout. If we change the stake to 50p, the award card changes with a maximum award of £50 and a percentage payout of 88%. Or if we go up to the maximum of £1, we now have an award card with £100 and 90% payout. For the player to be awarded the top feature, they need to bring up the rainbows. Either 3 in view in any position will give them 1 hand to enter the top feature. If they bring up 3 in view either across the top or across the bottom or in the diagonals, they'll enter the top feature with 2 hands. And if they get it, the awards here with the rainbows running across the central line, they'll go in with a maximum amount of hands available, which is 3. So if we get it like this, they'll now go into the top feature where the corresponding number of hands they've been awarded on the slave unit will be illuminated. The hands will spin round. When it stops on the symbol, the corresponding symbol underneath the LED will light up. When the player is awarded 3 of a similar symbol, they will win the corresponding value in the LED above it. And finally, there's a super feature that if the rainbow symbols are illuminated in the top feature of all 3 of them, they'll have the super feature where the hands lock and they step round like they will do on a clock. But that's enough of me talking about it. Let's see the gameplay now for real. So that was an example of the base game in play. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in the top feature. I've brought it with the 3 rainbows across the centre line, so the player will be entering the top feature with 3 hands in play. So there we have it, empires over the rainbow. So let's just recap, what are you getting with this fantastic product? You're getting 3 playing positions, complete with the seats. You're getting utmost flexibility with 6 different prices of play and jackpot options. In terms of the hardware, MV9 note acceptors, twin hoppers, the capability of being able to accept ticket in, ticket out technology at a later date. So a very, very compelling package, something that you really want to consider for your venue soon. So remember, you don't have to go to the end of a rainbow to collect your pot of gold. All you've got to do is remember one number, which is RLMS Sales, 0845 603 6666.